Trade Achievers Training Academy, one of the premier trading education firm, was founded by Mr. Kishore in the year 2013. Mr. Kishore has trained over 1,000 students in stocks, commodities and forex markets from India, Maldives, Hong Kong, Dubai, Qatar, Malaysia and Singapore. His knowledge in financial markets has helped many people to take the financial market as a professional career. Trade Achievers paved way for new innovation as Indian markets introduced trading flow concept in Chennai and Coimbatore. Traders can now take trading as business thanks to Trade Achievers Training Academy.
Congratulations, Trade Achievers Training Academy, and அதிலிருந்து திரு மிஸ்டர் குமார் அவர்களை மேடைக்கு அழைக்கிறோம். உங்களுடைய பலத்த கைதட்டல் சத்தத்துடன்